your stone. So just put sandpaper because you want it on a hard, flat surface.
Yes.
You can take it with the sandpaper and just drag it until it grinds down past all that. Okay. But then what you're going to have is a really blunt end, and so it's going to take a lot of time. But you
so use my square here,
so
as you can see. That's my square up against the wood here. Using my pencil.
And then the front, what I like to do, you're not
and I've got my line.
You're sharpening a tiny little. Let me grab that white so I can show you.
And then let's see what I need. Okay, and then I need my.
So you can see. There's a big
see,
got
that,
I do see it. Yeah.
and we're going to do another one here. So I got that,
big chunky bevel till you feel it sort of
there,
and then
I'm going to make another line
that's
here.
That's where you sharpen it. So you sort of click into that big bevel, lift it, drag it. Do that a million times.
Now the question is,
There we go, 2 lines.
Is it worth spending the time to...
I think yes, because I love rescuing old tools, but it is going to be a lot of time and effort compared to buying an inexpensive new chisel that may still need some sharpening, but it's going to be very quick instead of this. So it's worth a rescue because it's an old tool, but it will take a lot of your time. So it's sort of a trade-off.
So straighten
So we're going to use this.
Then get this smooth and straight, and then work on which you can hardly see the bevel.
Yep.
I'm going to do
so I would put
this
it down
line,
like this. Okay, so I feel that, and then go up a little bit
A
higher.
little bit more.
Go here.
And you try to do it the same every time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you're gonna take that, feel free to take the sandpaper too. I'll give you a couple, and that'll help you on your
So I'm going to
stone.
bring this up to this line
But if
here.
you're gonna skip the chisel, no problem.
So raise this chisel up.
Help me with my sharpening.
Okay.
Nice.
Which
Here.
I am not.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can leave that open too.
Oh, sure.
Thanks.
So this line. Lay it up here. So I got this pretty nice and clean.